Hey guys, it's your girl Shelby from Shelby Fine Cuisine. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my spinach scrambled eggs, and also I'm going to show you guys how I make my toast bread, okay, on my grill, okay. Come on, let me show you guys what I'm going to do. As you can see here, I already have my bread cut up, and I have my kiwis and apples, and I have my organic eggs, and also I have my spinach and tomatoes cut up, and here I have my bacon already cooked, okay. All right, now let's start cooking. What I'm going to show you guys on my little grill, if you have that small grill, here's how you can do your flat toast bread, okay, so you don't have to go and pay for it. All right, what I'm going to do, you see what I'm spreading some butter, okay, and also guys, I have my coffee waiting for me, okay. It's gonna be very nice and delicious, guys, okay. Now I have my foil paper, okay. Let me put that over there. Let me cover it up. Okay, we do that. Okay, scoop it down. Okay, come over here. Alright, this is my little grill. Okay, you put it down. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing with this one. Okay. Butter and your foil paper. Give it down, okay, and you put it in the oven and on the grill, okay. All right, very easy, guys. And what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to do a little cleanup, and then when we come back, we'll start with our eggs, okay. Okay guys, now it's time to do our eggs, okay. All right, put this there. Okay. Okay guys, what I'm going to show you guys, you see those little white stuff, always taking them off because I don't like them, okay. That's just me. I do not like seeing those white nasty stuff in my eggs, okay. I'm taking them off. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add all my veggies, okay, spinach and my tomatoes and green pepper. Okay, let me dry my hand. And I'm going to add some black pepper. Okay, some pepper flakes. Okay, Italian seasoning. Okay, garlic salt. Okay, not too much. And onion powder. Okay. Okay, let me just mix them up. Okay guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just finish that up, and then when we come back, we'll check on our bread, okay? Okay guys, now it's time to cook our eggs, okay? Let me show you what I'm going to do, okay? Alright. Let me just, my pot already warmed up, okay? Now I'm Okay. Okay. Okay guys, what I'm going to do next, I'm going to let my eggs cook. Okay, when we come back, we'll finish up everything, okay? Come back. Okay guys, now my breakfast ready. Now it's time to show you guys what I'm doing now, okay? Here, as you can see, I have my coffee and then all my fruits already fixed up, and then my bread. Okay, now it's time to put eggs in the plate. Okay. See that guys, it's very easy to make your flatbread. Okay, you don't have to go anywhere to pay and spend money. You can just do it on your own when you feel like you want to add something to your breakfast. Okay, all right, now it's good. Okay, perfect. I'm going to add this one there. Okay, you see that guys? Okay. Oh, I forgot my bacon guys. Wow, almost forget my bacon. Yep, you gotta have your bacon. Okay, now you have it. Perfect. All right. Okay. Okay guys, I wanted to share that with you. Okay, very easy and simple. Okay, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click on the like button. Okay, have a wonderful morning. See you next time. Bye.